and it's targeting to provide water both for human consumption and also for animal consumption, because we know this area animal keeping is a major economic activity. So this water pan is near to completion. Much of the work has been done. We are doing the final touches, the fencing, and also maybe there's also some small works remaining concerning maybe retention walls here and there to address erosion. We thank God for this far. We are so grateful for the diocese through the leadership of the bishop, and also we thank our partners from ERD because they have made it possible. Today we are also honored to have with us the director from ADS, that is Anglican Development Services, Mount Kenya East, who has paid a visit to see the progress so far in this dam or water pan project.
Around, I've received a report that a woman can walk for over 3 to 4 kilometers to access water. These are serious challenges. And as also ADS Mount Kenya East, we have a vision to see a society that enjoys wholesome and dignified living. And that is the vision that all our bishops are pushing, so that they will sort out the spiritual challenges and also the physical challenges of our community. Our extension also making everyone to live in a dignified living. And under financial security, ERD through support through the climate resilience project and CIRI, they have also supported over 45 groups indulging in financial inclusions, where they are taught on savings with education, knowledges. I think more about it can be mentioned in the next visit, but we have really seen the impact of that. Now the people are trained, they have started saving, they are venturing into business, they are now having some dignity in terms of having food on their tables, and also by extension to address the food insecurity, they have also ventured much in conservation agriculture, where the community are taught on how best can they diversify their livelihood by doing the right innovative way of doing farming within this region.
We are here at this water pan to see the development that our diocese is doing in this our community, Karura community. We are so grateful as the institution and even as the community at large, for we are able to benefit from the water. Previously, when you look at the surroundings from this community, we find that people are traveling for a long distance for them to take water, and through the introduction of this water pan, we can get water to take for the domestic consumption and even for the animals to take. As the institution, we have been undergoing a lot of challenges concerning water, because at times we use the borehole water, which is a bit salty, and as you know that the salty water is not, it cannot be able to cook some of the food because it may be tedious, and it may requires a lot of a soap when we are cleaning our clothes. So we find that hand water, it is a bit expensive to use. So we thank God because of this water. It's a soft water, which will minimize the cost of the production, will minimize the cost of the usage as matters of purchasing about the detergents and the rest of the things that we use when we are cleaning.
Lakini kutokana na hii mradi tutakuja kupata maji yenye iko karibu. Itatusaidia sana kwa manufaa yetu hapa, kama kuosha madarasa, kunyunyuzia maji na kunyunyuzia ile mimea ambayo tunapanda hapa shule. Tunashukuru sana ambao kama Bishop Masamba ambaye amekuja akaona tunahitaji hii damu ambayo itatusaidia sana. Tunamshukuru sana na endelee tu vivyo hivyo.